everybody, this is Becca here with Empowering Pumps and Equipment. Today I have Jim Mugford with Sulzer with me, and we're going to talk all about EASA. Jim, why don't you introduce yourself?
Hi, Becca. Great to be here with you today. As you said, my name is Jim Mugford. I'm the president and I'm global head of Sulzer's Electro Mechanical Services business unit. We're a global network of about 30 rotating equipment service centers specializing in motors and generator repair. And we work and partner with many EASA organizations, and we're really looking forward to being at the EASA conference and trade show this year.
Yes, it's coming very soon, and I'm excited to kind of dig in here and talk about it with you. And with EASA, you know, their messaging this year is recalibrate, realign, refocus. So I'd like to know how you would say that Sulzer has been able to recalibrate, realign, or refocus for the needs of the industry.
Yeah, absolutely. I think it's particularly important to be recalibrating and realigning coming out of the pandemic. You know, the pandemic caused a lot of changes and difficulties for many businesses. We're all coming out of that today and have been over the last number of months. It's great to be able to get together with our fellow EASANs and meet in person. It's been 2 years since there's been a convention. And from our business point of view, it's been an opportunity to refocus and rethink about our services and the products that we offer to the industry. And really, we're coming out of the pandemic really energized and looking forward to picking up where we left off and helping our customers EASA grow their businesses.
That's wonderful. And, you know, speaking of your customers, you know, how would you say that you're able to best support those, you know, electrical, mechanical sales, service, and repair professionals?
Yeah, absolutely. One of the things we're best known for is our high voltage coil offering. And we support customers around the world manufacturing coils used in rewinding large high voltage motors and many different types of generators. And that's the number one thing we can do with them. We can work with our customers and their end users really to not only repair machines, but look to improve the performance and the reliability of these machines through new coil designs and new insulation systems. In addition to that, many companies within EASA would partner with us on large projects where they can take advantage of Sulzer's size and scope to help execute projects they may not be able to do on their own. And I would say those are the two main areas that we work with our customers in the EASA and electromechanical service industries.
I think that's a pretty cool note of, you know, the companies that aren't able to do it on their own and to be able to use you for that resource.
Yeah, absolutely. It's something that we really take a lot of pride in, and the relationships and the partnerships we have with other service corporations, companies that we work with.
That's awesome. So what can we expect to see at the Sulzer booth during the show?
Yeah, you know, our booths have always been fun and exciting. We've been the social media sponsor for many years. So we typically have not only professionally designed booths, they're staffed with our manufacturing, engineering, and sales personnel. So there's a lot of expertise at the booth for EASA members to come and talk to. But in addition to that, there's as a social media sponsor, there's usually a really good selfie station and some other aspects of the booth that make it worthwhile for people to come by and say hello and spend some time with us. So it's a fun spot to be. It's an engaging spot to be.
It's definitely a fun spot to be. You know, with us being a purely digital media company, it's always a breath of fresh air going to the Sulzer booth and having, you know, social media part of it, and knowing that, you know, we can get some good screenshots of us and at the booth and interacting with the equipment and be able to post that right online.
You know, absolutely. And full credit goes to our marketing team. Jen Cardillo and her team have done such a fantastic job with our trade shows and our exhibits over the year. They make them just a really great spot to be.
I agree. So Jim, why don't you tell people what's the best way to connect with you and then also Sulzer?
Absolutely. Well, the number one way to connect with us is www.sulzer.com. Our online presence is a great way to get in touch with us, regardless of where you are in the world. We would encourage you, of course, to come and see us in person at EASA. That's a great way to connect. And And between those two ways, you should be able to connect yourself with some really great Sulzer people to help you with any of the challenges in industry that you're facing. And we would look forward to that and encourage you to call us, and look forward to hopefully working on some projects together.
Yes. And so, yes, everyone who is going to EASA, make sure you stop by the Sulzer booth. Definitely get a selfie to post online. And if not, you can, of course, check them out online. And, Jim, thank you so much for your time today. I really appreciate it.
Becca, it's been my pleasure. Thank you.